we're having an abnormally warm winter in Vancouver. Today is Tuesday, January 21st, 2025, and it is currently 7 or 8 degrees Celsius, which is crazy for January. It also hasn't rained for weeks, so there's basically barely any snow on the mountains. I don't want to jinx it because this weather is lovely, but it would be nice if there was a bit more snow on the mountains. Anyhow, with that, I wanted to do a little throwback and roll a video from basically exactly about a year ago when we've had a massive snowstorm in Vancouver. January 17th, 2024 was the date for that. So I hope you enjoy, and I will be back tomorrow with another video. Vibes made. This is literally insane. You have to understand, it never snows in Vancouver, so this is a lot of snow for us. Well, after the Arctic warning or whatever, Vancouver went into a massive snowfall and the city completely collapsed. Like, it doesn't snow here. It never snows here. But now we've gotten, what, I don't know, 20 centimeters of snow, and just the city is done. There's barely any cars. Whoever is driving are usually like SUVs, and damn, this is absolutely insane. It is so much snow that somebody actually used their skis to get to the cafe. That is so sick. This is insane. I've never seen this city like that. It's like there's no one on the streets. I guess people don't really deal with snow well in Vancouver, but man, this is awesome. Now that is a brave soul right there. It's a bike. Homie's on a bike. That's crazy. This is how Robson Street looks like. Barely anyone. And what's crazy is that some stores are actually still open. I don't know who would go shopping right now, but damn. I highly doubt there's gonna be anyone enforcing parking today, but I'm still gonna pay. When I say that Vancouver does not deal well with winter or snow, I really mean that. We have palm trees in this bitch. Look at this. Look how much snow there is. Somebody already made a snowman. That's so crazy because we literally have the ocean right there, and there's just palm trees and they're all covered in snow. That's really cool. That homie doesn't want to move. There we go. People still go for runs in this weather too. Like, that's crazy. I even saw a delivery guy on a bike delivering food. I hope he got some crazy tips. This is just absolute winter wonderland. Wow. That's so cool. So this is where sort of like the sandy ocean and snow meet together. That's crazy. That's literally insane. That is so awesome. This is also one of the few times I've seen people actually kind of talking to each other and smiling, because, you know, Vancouver is notorious for having like very kind of cold people. But I guess, you know, snow in winter bonds people together a little bit. I'm curious if anybody tried to cold plunge today, except, I mean, these guys, of course, but they don't seem to be too cold. This homie is biking. Also, this bus looks like it's done. Look how clear the water is. This is insane. Oh, I was wondering if anybody gonna go cold plunging. Come on, champ. That's crazy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. What a brave soul. That is sick. Vancouver in one video. This guy is running in shorts through the blizzard. This guy is literally swimming right now. I honestly just don't get it. Like, what? How? What planet are we on? The homie has been in the water for definitely over 3 minutes now. This is crazy. How is he not gonna get hypothermia? There's maybe like, I don't know, 50 snowmans around. I think just about every single person who's outside is making a snowman. Look, there's one there too. God damn.